Tesla stock has been on a wild ride for the past year. Looking at the stock chart here, the stock ran up from $200 to $917 in less than 6 months, then crashed to $316 in March of 2020. Now it's running back up to the $900 range. Historically, the $900 level has been a strong resistance level for the stock. It remains to be seen if it can break through and hit to the $1,000 range. There is certainly a good chance that it will either sell off in the short term or just trade sideways below the $1,000 level. In the long run, I'm bullish on Tesla, and I think the stock will be higher a few years from now. The stock attracts many small retail investors in addition to some big funds like ARK Invest that is led by Cathie Wood, who is known for being the biggest Tesla bull out there. Here is an article that was published by one of ARK's analysts. The article says, based on our updated expectations for electric vehicle cost declines and demand, as well as our estimates for the potential profitability of robotaxis, our 2024 expected value per share for Tesla is $7,000. So, why is Tesla stock doing very well? Personally, I believe Elon Musk is the main reason for that. Nobody can deny that Elon Musk has played a major role in Tesla's success. Under his leadership, Tesla has been able to hit every milestone set for the company. Going back to 2007, Tesla's first car was the Roadster, which was a sporty, expensive EV car. Nevertheless, the Roadster was a success. After the Roadster, Model S and Model X came out, followed by more affordable EV cars like the Model 3 and Model Y. And recently, we had the Cybertruck that is going to be released to the public soon and expected to be a huge success. On the power generation side, Tesla made huge progress. If we look at their solar panels business, it has been expanding quite nicely. Tesla currently sells solar panels and solar roof tiles through its subsidiary SolarCity Corporation. Tesla has been also doing well with regard to their energy storage business segment. Very recently, SpaceX, another subsidiary of Tesla, succeeded in launching their Falcon 9 rocket. Also, there have been some news that a new gigafactory is going to be built, possibly in Texas or Mexico. Tesla has also been making steady progress on many of their future projects, including progress being made on semi-trucks, autonomous driving, and the robo-taxi network. The semi-truck has been already pre-ordered by many companies, including PepsiCo, Walmart, and Cisco. Next shareholders meeting is coming up on July 7th, 2020, and we are looking forward for that. That's it for this Tesla update. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and give us a like, and thanks for watching.